How much would you pay for a new car, an engagement ring, or even a parking spot? Millionaires and billionaires can stretch the budget as far as their interests take them. Some are willing to pay insane amounts for the best or most limited items. One man junk is another man treasure. However, among the list of the 5 most expensive things on the planet are a wide variety of things, including property, furniture, spices, and even feathers. You would be surprised what some people will pony up to pay for some life's simplest items. Then again, some are not so simple. The thing about being rich is you can afford to be eccentric and no one will laugh at you. And also the thing about having lots of money to spend is that you can buy the most ridiculous thing at even more ridiculous prices and show it off. Here are such things that you might never be able to afford in this lifetime, and if you are able to afford, you might not see the value in the price tag. Let's see why they are. Before starting our list, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start our countdown. Number 5. Diamond necklace. $55 million. The necklace, which is valued at $55 million, is officially named an incomparable diamond necklace. It is made up of a near flawless 47.48 carat white diamond suspended from a rose gold setting that is studded with 90 white diamonds weighing nearly 230 carats. The spectacular diamond, which acted as the centerpiece of the necklace, was first discovered in the Congo by a girl in the Congo over 3 decades ago. Reuters reported that the necklace reflects Asia's growing appetite for precious gems and expensive baubles. Number 4. The Card Players painting. $275 million. This painting is now owned by the royal family of Al Thani of Qatar. This painting is made by French artist Paul Cézanne, sold for $275 million. The painting is just one of the pieces in the rare collection sold for $275 million and purchased by the royal family of Qatar. Vanity Fair reported that the purchase of the artwork was a bid in Qatar's effort to become an international intellectual hub. Number 3. Villa Leopolda, $506 million. The Villa Leopolda forms part of a sprawling estate. It is located in Villefranche-sur-Mer. It has been used as a hospital in World War II and has since been transformed into one of the most beautiful estates on the French Riviera. The villa is thought to be the second most expensive home on this planet, which also served as a World War II hospital. Tell Me Nothing reported that the home has had several notable owners, including Gianni and Ursula Agnelli, Isaac and Dorothy J. Killam, and most recently Edmond and Lily Safra. Number 2. Intellia, $2 billion. Owned by Indian billionaire Mukesh Ambani, this 34-story mammoth of a home is designed to survive an earthquake of magnitude 8.0 and contains 3 helipads along with the parking space enough for 160 cars. Intellia is no ordinary building. For a start, it's valued at roughly $2 billion. The home has 3 separate helipads for air traffic and transportation of the family who lives there, as well as accommodating the arrival of very special guests. The garage in the home holds up to 160 cars, so the owner will be able to invite all of their friends around for a party. Property Investment Project reports that Intellia, which is named after a mythical island, is owned by India's richest man, Mukesh Ambani. Number 1. Yacht History Supreme, $4.5 billion. The magnificent yacht is plated with 1 lakh kg of gold and platinum and has other extravagances like wine glasses made out of an 18 carat diamond. This is amongst the most expensive floating places in the world, crafted by platinum and solid gold. Stuart Hughes' website boasts that the yacht even has a wall feature which has been made from meteoric stone with genuine dinosaur bones shaved in from the raptor T-Rex. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.